You can also go ahead and create out lists as you like inside of the word editor in Terabox. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here and let's say, for example, add in a list. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say online learning, and I'm going to say easy learning right here, and I'm going to say affordable learning right here, and world wide learning right here. So you can see that I have a sort of a list right here. In order to change this out into a list, I can simply select this out, and over here on the top you can see that bullet points is an option. If I were to click on it right here, then you can choose the bullet point as you like, and they turn into bullet points just like this. You can choose another style as you wish right here, just like this, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can also go around over here and press tab to go ahead and then change the indentation. Or you can also increase the indentation right here, and you can see that the hierarchy, the dot stands out accordingly. Similarly, you can even go around over here and change out the style as you like, or even go around onto a numbered style and click on it to go ahead and change the numbered style as you like as well. And if I were to go ahead and press enter right here, then what happens is that you can go ahead and let's say, for example, add in another point as well. So I'm just going to say flexible learning right here, just like this. And if I want to decrease out the indentation, I can simply go around over here, decrease the indentation right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and maintain out list inside of Word Editor in Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.